Today I'm going to show you how to join CapCut on your PC, quickly and easily. If you're new to CapCut, this is the first step to unlocking your projects, syncing your account, and getting access to your edits across devices. I'll walk you through the simple steps, from downloading the software to signing in on the desktop app. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, download and install CapCut on your PC. You can get the official desktop version from CapCut's website or the trusted download source for your device. Once the download finishes, open the installer and follow the on-screen steps to complete the installation. This part is important because you want to make sure you're using the proper desktop version of CapCut, not just the mobile app. After CapCut finishes installing, launch the app on your computer. When the desktop app opens, look to the top left corner of the screen and click Sign In. This is where you'll connect your account and join CapCut on your PC. Once you click Sign In, CapCut will give you a few login options. You can sign in using a QR code, which is often the fastest method if you already have CapCut on your phone. You can also log in with your TikTok account, Google account or Facebook account, depending on which one is linked to your CapCut profile. If you choose the QR code option, open the CapCut mobile app or the camera login prompt on your phone, scan the code shown on your PC, and confirm the sign-in. If you prefer Google, TikTok or Facebook, simply select the option you want and follow the prompts to enter your details and approve the login. Once you're signed in, CapCut will sync your account on the desktop version and you'll be ready to start editing, open your projects, and work across devices. If you're using CapCut for the first time, take a moment to double-check that you signed into the correct account so your projects and cloud files appear properly. And that's it. You've successfully joined CapCut on your PC. From here, you can start editing faster, manage your content more easily, and keep everything connected between your devices. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.